let's see how to remove the anchor symbol in Microsoft Word. So first, we want to open Microsoft Word. And as you can see here, we have our document ready. Now, what you want to do is insert an image. So go ahead to the Insert tab, click on Pictures, and insert your image. Let's go ahead and insert this one. Let's change the text wrapping to surround text. And as you can see, we can now move our image. For example, let's place it here. And as you can see, there is this anchor right here. To remove this icon, we have to go into the File tab, click on Options, click on Display, and make sure that we uncheck this box that says Object Anchors. Now, if you click OK, you'll notice that the anchor icon is gone. And that is how you hide the anchor icon in Microsoft Word. See you soon!